Hi there, welcome back to Queclink's channel. This is Mandy. We are live from MWC Barcelona. Right now, our sales director of UK and EU team, Vernon, is about to introduce our dash camera CV200. Vernon, over to you.
Thanks, Mandy. Good morning, everyone. Yes, I'd love to talk to you about our new CV200 dash camera. Well, I say new. It was launched in June of last year and has really taken the market by storm. I think in the UK alone, we sold circa 30,000 devices in 6 months. And that's because of how the unit performs, but also its incredibly affordable price point. So the CV200 is a 4G live streaming camera out the box with 1080p forward vision, but it has a secondary channel as well, so we can add any type of secondary camera to that. Now that could be driver facing, that could be a load bay monitoring camera, it could be a rear facing camera as we've got on display here. The choice is yours effectively. When it comes to DMS is measurement of smoking, eating, drinking, fatigue, seatbelt wearing, all of these parameters, which are all over and above the standard driver behavioral stuff that you'd get from a traditional telematics device, like harsh cornering, harsh braking, etc. It's probably worth mentioning that actually our CV200 camera is built on top of one of our legacy tracking devices. So the tracking capabilities of this camera are second to none, which makes me think that this is going to be the future, really. If you can get absolutely everything out of a single device, a lot of fleets at the moment are running two siloed systems. So they're running a legacy telematics system with a SIM card and a cost. They're running a video telematics system with a SIM card and a cost. With this device, you can literally get everything with one SIM card, one cost. We can also do all manner of other things through this device, like driver identification, tire pressure monitoring, remote immobilization. There's a panic facility on here for communication. Literally everything that you would get out of a legacy telematics unit, you can now get out of a camera. Fantastic. Watch this space. Thank you very much.